If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you want to go back and change the custom fields you use to record job-related information in Sage 50, you must access the job defaults. To define the custom fields for jobs in Sage 50, select Maintain, Default Information, Jobs from the menu bar to open the Job Defaults window. Click the Custom Fields tab, and then create up to 5 custom fields to track information for customer jobs you perform. Then click the OK button to save your changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.